Hickory dickory dock, the mouse went up the clock. The clock struck
Read the short passage and answer the questions.
Let's read. Follow this pointer. Are you ready? Let's begin. Books help us a lot. They are our good friends. They make us happy. Some tell nice stories. Others teach beautiful songs. Still others teach us many things in the world. Books live long if we take good care of them. We should cover them. We should not tear their pages. Now it's your turn. Read the words when they get green. Ready? Begin. Now, I want you to get your pad paper and answer the questions by writing the correct letter. Pause this video and get ready. Let's begin. Question number 1. What were said to be our good friend? Letter A, books. Letter B, stories. Letter C, songs. Write your answer now. Number 2. What do books do for us? Letter A, make us sick. Letter B, make us cry. Letter C, make us happy. Write your answer now. Number 3. What are found in books? Letter A, stories. Letter B, cars. Letter C, toys. Write your answer now. Number 4. What will make books live long? Letter A, writing them. Letter B, coloring them. Letter C, taking care of them. Write your answer now. Number 5. Which is not good for books? Letter A, reading them. Letter B, tearing the pages. Letter C, taking care of them. Write your answer now. Are you done? Let's check. Number 1 question is, what was said to be our good friend? The answer is Letter A. Books were said to be our good friend. Number 2. What do books do for us? The answer is letter C. Books make us happy. Number 3. What are found in books? The answer is letter A. Stories are found in books. Number 4. What will make books live long? The answer is letter C. Books live long by taking care of them. Number 5. Which is not good for books? The answer is letter B. Tearing the pages is not good for books. Are your answers correct?
Good job! Good job! Remember, kids, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Ephesians 6:1.